I am Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we've had a Jaguar Mark II set coming to us, and it's pretty much the state that they would normally come into us. So all the veneer will be cracked, the joints will be cracking all there. So what we do at GDK Veneering is we break all of the joints. So all of the joints will all be cracked because it's all crystallized glue that goes down there. So we take everything apart. So like you see in front of you, this top row up here, so all the back edge is starting to peel off. So basically all that has to be broke down this line that's just there. It is a bit noisy in here, I'm very sorry, because people are still working. We've got Daniel over there, he's sanding a Jaguar Mark II set, ready to be lacquered. It seems that there's a load of Jaguar Mark IIs that have come from everywhere. So I think currently we've got about 8 sets in at the minute. I'll show you the stage once it's been re-glued and re-veneered. I'll show you then what it would look like with the base coat lacquer, we call it. So we would lacquer the veneer and allow it to sink. So if you just follow me. So here is another Jaguar Mark II, one that we've done earlier. We've re-veneered it, it's now been lacquered, it's now curing. So it's very ripply, the lacquer has to sink down, and it really gives it like a tide effect that you can see on there. It's really, really ripply. Doesn't matter how good of a sprayer you are, you have to get this lacquer on thick so you can sand it back to get it flat, and then go again and then sand it and polish it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Like I said, I'm sorry for the noise, but we are a working company. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.